afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The song that you've just heard is a traditional Irish lullaby known as Éiníní, and it is the song from which we take our name. We are Éiníní. The name means little birds in Irish. We are very fond of the little birds. We do have a bit of a bird theme running throughout our show. Every now and then we'll throw in a song that has a bird in it somewhere, so just keep an eye out for that, or maybe an ear out for it. My name is Fergus na Maevrak. My lovely companion is Winifred the Minstrel. We sing traditional music from throughout the world and throughout time.